Hello to all the super fans out there. Today it's a match day actually, but there's another special event today. Our captain Cool is playing his 200th IPL match today, wearing the yellows. So it's really a special moment and a special day for all the CSK fans out there. So here's my friend Gokula Krishna, and we are going to share a few MS Dhoni moments in IPL history.
Hi, hello Super fans. This is Gokula Krishnan. At the starting of the 2008, when IPL announced, all over the teams wanted Dhoni in their side, but luckily CSK got MS Dhoni in our side. From 2008 till 2020, he shows his love towards CSK and over Tamil Nadu. So we also shows his yellow towards captain for his 200th match. So now let's look into the top moments by Dhoni for CSK. Start with you, Satish.
Yeah, of course. The very first moment is our very first champions crown. The year 2010 was very special for us. We didn't have the best of starts, but we were the best at the end of the tournament. It was a great Thanksgiving season to the consistent team. The team actually were so much consistent in the past too, and this was something so great to watch. It was a great comeback, and what to say, Gokula Krishna, you should say a few words about the 2010 victory.
Yeah, definitely. At the off stage, we are not comfortable, but next off stage has been a tremendous. Between at the last match, especially in Dharmashala, Dhoni played a tremendous innings. Not only Dharmashala Stadium, whole nation erupted for that innings. At last, Dhoni also showed his emotion. That's a tremendous victory, which took us to the finals. In finals also, there is a huge decision made by our captain, placing Aiden straight left to the mid-off. That one fielding pattern definitely changed in the fielding pattern area in international arena. So it's a smart move by our captain Dhoni. I have another point. Yeah. Let's move to the another point. As Dhoni always had a strong belief in each and every player. How do you think about that, Mr. Satish?
Yeah, of course. More than the form, he looks at the talent of the player. Every player in CSK undergoes a process, and the end result is success. That's what Dhoni says. Process is more important than the result. But our result has been always positive. Our players have been well known, and they have turned into an international quality players, be it a batsman or a bowler. That's how we got a lot of youngsters in our team, and now they have grown a lot from that stage. You can say Manpreet Dhoni, he was in the initial stages of the tournament. Manpreet Dhoni, Tyagi, R. Ashwin, Mohit Sharma, and then now Deepak Chahar and Shardul Thakur. Now everyone has gone through a process, and they have grown as a player.
Yes, definitely. Don't forget DJ Bravo. Dhoni developed his career as one of the best death bowlers in the recent times. Especially in the 2014 season, DJ Bravo picked up 32 wickets. But still now, overall wicket in this IPL, he's the highest wicket taker for all over the seasons. So definitely Dhoni's impact has played a lot in DJ Bravo also. And even Ambati Rayudu's career also changed by playing in CSK under MS Dhoni.
Of course. Yeah,
definitely.
Of course.
2011, big one.
Yeah, of course. That 2011 victory was so much crucial as we were about to defend our title. One big threat to our victory was Chris Gayle. The Gale Storm was hitting hard throughout the season. MS Dhoni had a trump card in his hand, R. Ashwin. It was a great scene out there. We were so much pumped up, and we were all bursting out in joy that this is our day, this is our cup, and we are going to defend it. What's your call on that?
Yeah, in 2011, Ashwin played a key role. Dhoni sending Ashwin in the power play overs has changed the captain idea in the international arena. So after that, all the captains believe that spinner played a crucial role in power play overs, and they got success. That's a smart move by our captain Dhoni. And one interesting point is CSK is the only team, and MS Dhoni is the only captain to defend the title in 2011. So far in IPL, no team has done it. CSK is the only team, and MS Dhoni is the only captain. As far as all we know, Another one, as all we know, Dhoni had played a big impact against Royal Challengers Bangalore, especially in 2018 match in Chinnaswamy Stadium. He almost took the match nowhere from to a victory. He scored 84 runs. That's a brilliant knock from our captain Kul. In same 2019 also, he played a crucial knock 63, but we lost in a least margin. But definitely a super innings by our captain Kul towards the match. It's a brilliant innings.
Of course. It was one important topic which every Dhoni fan would love: the Dhoni review system, DRS. Who can be better than him in this part of the game?
No one.
One important, I think you will know what I'm going to talk. Rajasthan Royals 2019.
Yes.
He's good for a team, right? He's good for the team. That's how a captain should stand. I think that's the way every captain should stand for a team and their players.
Yes, definitely. Then talking about his captain, in a particular season where 3 international captains played under our MS Dhoni: Brendan McCullum, Du Plessis and DJ Bravo. I don't see in any other team that the 3 captains played under international MS Dhoni. So it's a huge. He maintained such a nature towards the team members and towards the team. So the captains also loving to play under our captain Kul. It shows his captaincy skill. Definitely, he's the greatest captain of all the time.
Yeah. That's something that no one can dislike. And our
definitely
next final memory is that the biggest memory in CSK camp.
2018 season.
Yeah, of course. What a great season it was.
Definitely.
Actually, we crossed through all the odds, Daddy's Army, age factor, form issues. We actually overcame all these 3 issues and we proved them wrong. Actually, the whole world was in a perspective that T20 is a pakka youngsters game, but we became a trendsetter in that time. We can rely on experienced players to win a T20 match, not just a match but a whole tournament.
Yeah, definitely. Before 2018, there is a pattern. The T20 is only for youngsters. But after 2018, Dhoni take the decision. The T20 is not only for youngsters, it's also for experienced players. He shows his nature. He has the capable of team. Which team he given, he will do best out of them. So in 2018, we got definitely a super team, and he won that cup in the 2018 season also. And one more thing, adding to Dhoni's captaincy, his batting average is also tremendous in 2018 and 2019 also. In 2018, he has an average over 75.83. And in the same 2019, he had an average over 83.2. It's a tremendous average. So in both the seasons, his batting also is developed a lot, huge among us, every players. So Captain Kul is best in form in 2018 and 2019 also.
Not just me, not just you, but there are many legends in the game who have agreed that Dhoni is the best reader of a cricket game. We are so much lucky enough to have him in our CSK, not just in CSK but also in India. So we have come to the end of the video, and so what's your say, Gokul Krishna?
Yeah, come to the end. I definitely need to close that. On behalf of all Yellow Whistlepod Army, we all wish to do best for our Captain Kul in his 200th match. Wishes from Whistlepod Army to Tala Dhoni. Stay home, stay safe, whistle from home. #Whistlepodu.
Yeah, of course, we wish our team very all the best, and we do support Yellow. Chennai Super Kings Whistle Podu.
Whistle Podu. Thank you.
Thank you.